in Wales was supposed to be outlawed more than 20 years ago. But as this picture shows, it still goes on.
These are huge, highly sensitive and intelligent mammals that take a very long time to die.
The Japanese have exploited a loophole in the ban that allows killing for scientific research.
And the meat usually ends up not in a lab, but in a kitchen.
At this restaurant, they say the best meat comes from whales that were caught for research. What's wrong with eating whale? Japan's government insists it has the right to hunt whales for research, but images like this aren't shown so often on television here.
This whale had to be shot 3 times before it died, and it took 20 minutes to die.
It should have been much shorter.
First question, why can countries like Japan get away with defying international laws?
Japan's an economic bully. They throw their weight around and get away with a lot of different things. It's an ongoing battle, fighting Norway, Iceland, Japan. We've been doing it for decades now, so it's like this never-ending war to save the whales.
30 years ago, they named themselves the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society, and they've been called many things since. Eco-terrorists, if you believe the Japanese whalers. Pirates, if you believe the hype. Captain Paul Watson left Greenpeace in 1977 to found the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society.
We're not a protest organization, we're an interventionist organization. We look on what we're doing as policing against illegal activity.
And in his race to do that, Captain Watson claims to have sunk 9 whaling ships and rammed a dozen more. Sea Shepherd maintains its anti-violence, saying in its 30-year history, none of its actions have resulted in any injury. Violent or not, it's certainly direct.
And as we speak, a Japanese whaling fleet is again heading to the Southern Ocean. Now, their target this year, 945 minke and fin whales.
Those against the slaughter of the world's biggest mammals realise they need to bolster their campaign to protect the whale in the face of this new challenge.
in the midst of a third world war, but this time the enemy is ourselves, and the objective is to save the planet from ourselves. There's no hope for the masses of humanity to do anything. They never have. They never will. All social change comes from the passionate intervention of individuals or small groups of individuals. Slavery wasn't ended by any government or any institution. Women got the right to vote not because of any government. The civil rights movement, the same thing. India with Mahatma Gandhi. South Africa with Nelson Mandela. Again, it's always individuals. You need those individuals with the passion and the energy to get involved. In fact, I don't know of any governments or institutions that are doing anything to solve any of these problems. All over the world, though, I am seeing individuals and non-government organizations that are passionately involved in protecting ecosystems and species, and that's where I see some optimism. That's where results are happening.